this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from King's Noodle out of China. This is their hot and sour flavor. This should be really good. I mentioned saving 50 to 100 mils of water. I'm going to grab that out of the pot right now. Let's see. That should be about right. Alright, so there is a lot that comes in one of these boxes. A lot. So let's get started with cooking the noodle. This goes for 2.5 minutes. Let me set my timer. At least that's what I'm pretty sure it says. There we go. Now check this action out. The last one of these I had was incredibly good. So we shall see how it goes. They're a different kind of noodle. They're already kind of like rubbery-ish. That's kind of like how it goes. Let's put these in here. Man, they're kind of hard to get out, aren't they? Get in there. There you go. Cool, that worked out well. Get to a boil and we will get the show on the road. There's this, oh, well, they just fell out, but there's this one that has these two. It just says chili bag on them. We've got a bag, liquid, more liquid, something pickled. These, I'm pretty sure, either peanuts. I don't know. I should look at these before I let that timer peel off minutes. Are they peanuts? Yeah. They're peas. Come on, come on. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I dropped those noodles in and the boiling just stopped. They're kind of like the wasabi peas, but they're not wasabi flavored, if you're familiar with such things. So it's March now. I don't know what else is going on. Oh, my brick for my laptop. I got a laptop off the thrift store for $9.99. It said as is on it. Got it home, hit the power button, and it turned on. Turns out it had a full battery. What are the odds of that? The brick cost like, I think, 13 bucks on eBay. But it's old too. It's a Turian 64. It's an AMD. It's a Dell. It was a Dell Inspiron 1521, little 320 gig hard drive, a gig of RAM, running Windows Vista. I don't know. It's worth 10 bucks. Something to do. I'll have my way with it, and then I'll say, "Here, kids, have some fun." But yeah, a lot of sachets in this one. And I'm hoping this one's really good, like the last one that this brand I got, because it was really good. What was that one? The golden pea. Golden pea. No, it was like large yellow, like mushy peas, like you would have, peas and corn peas, and they were really good. Very savory, very flavorful. So we'll see how this is. I think we should be done any second, right? Yeah. Gives me time to have a little sip of my beverage today. I've got another slice of chashu, but I need to cut it up. I think that's the right way to go. I guess, how am I going to do that? We'll see. We'll figure this out. Yeah, I've got my liquid right there. I think we're good. I think we are good. Okay, let's do this. So it's draining time here at the Ramen Raider. I have heard during my days on this planet, ladies and gentlemen, multiple times when people refer to ramen as ramen. I always find that interesting. Here's our liquid. Let's start pouring it on. Here's some pickled stuff. The other one had this sachet too. I want to say it's probably pickled mustard stem. I really don't know. Let's make sure it's... There you go. Yeah, cool. I'm starting to get the hang of where the camera is on that. I mean, it's all the way to the right. Yeah. It's hard to tell. I mean, it's got like 5 freaking cameras on this thing. It's my old S20 Ultra, but it's like the amount of cameras and the distance I am, it's got to be in the right spot, or it just like is totally off center. There's another one. I'm just kind of hoping this isn't like going to be one of those that is so Szechuan peppercorny that it puts me off. I don't know. It'll be hot and sour, generally hot and sour. Traditional varieties. The sour comes from black vinegar, and the hot comes from Szechuan peppercorn. So we'll see how this goes. Here's our little bits. And here is another liquid sachet. That is the black vinegar. I can smell that from here. Yeah, cool. Black vinegar is pretty good. You don't ever see it in Western cuisine, at least as far as I know. I've never heard my mom say like, oh, we need to get some black vinegar at the store. Is that more of it? No. All right, so we are ready to stir and sample. Look at all that stuff. I mean, it really doesn't need anything added in, I don't think. This has so much stuff going on that, yeah. All right. It's kind of sloppy. Look at that. That is one coated dark looking noodle. Cheers. Well, oh my. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I will tell you from the get-go, that is not not one I like. The other one they had was really good. As far as being like traditional and Chinese, I'm pretty sure this is about as traditional and Chinese as it gets. I just don't like it. That doesn't mean it's bad. It just means I don't like it. but no, not my thing. It said it got a bunch of gold medals, so some of you might really like it. But I guess maybe I'll just put some chashu on it, some pork. That's better. That is some serious business right there. Yeah, I really don't like that one. That's just too freaking strong. It just like immediately. Some scallions. Some seeds. It's like part of me wants to have another bite and the other part of me is like, dude, don't do it. Whoa. I need to tighten that hinge. I do. And this one too. Whoa. Yeah. There you go. Okay, well, I can give a qualified I don't like this one, but maybe you will. The other one that they made, oh man, that golden pea variety was absolutely spot on for me. Not this one. Anyways, that's the third one of the day for me. So I will see you tomorrow with new things to enjoy. And this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.